In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on TikTok or YouTube simply by creating your own anime short films just like this. Cool, right? Don't worry, it's way easier than you think, and we'll be using free tools to make it happen. Surprisingly, no one's teaching this on YouTube, but I bet some of those so-called gurus will copy this and act like they're the first to do it, haha. This is going to be simple, but if you miss even one step, trust me, it won't work out. Alright, grab some water and let's get started. First, we'll need a few tools: a temporary email, a video to anime converter, and a video editor. I recommend CapCut because it's easy to use and 100% free without watermarks or limitations. You can find all the tools in this video by using the Google link in the description below. This will be both easy and useful. Now, we need to find videos for our project. You can get movie clips from Chinese sites like D or others if that's your style. Make sure the video you get is in your preferred language. Personally, I get mine from TikTok as I like them in English. Alright, I'll search for the movie I want to download here. Make sure whatever you pick is clear and high quality. I like this one, but feel free to choose any movie you want. It could even be a movie explainer. Once you've found your clip, just click on it and hit this button to copy the link to your clipboard. Next, head over to this site and paste it here. You can see the link is now in the address bar. Let's click on this, then hit the blue button to save the video to your device. We're going to turn this into anime, and for that, we'll use a tool called Lens Go AI. This is actually a paid tool, but you get 100 credits for free, which is enough to get started. The only limitation is that you can only convert 5 seconds of video at a time, which slows things down. You can upgrade to a paid plan if you want to speed up the process, but I'm not an affiliate, just showing you a free option. Now, since we can only convert 5 seconds at a time, we need to split the video. Open CapCut or whatever editor you're using and start a new project. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the size for YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. Now, drag the movie you downloaded into the timeline or hover over it and click the plus icon. Don't worry if you're using your phone, it works there too. Alright, let me zoom in so it's clearer. We'll split the video into 5-second clips because of the free version's limits. Don't stress, it's easy. I'll show you how. Move your playhead to the 5-second mark and check the timing. It's set to 5 seconds. Click on the video, then click the split button. Don't move the playhead, just leave it at 5 seconds. Click the clip on your right and hit delete. Now we need to export this 5-second clip. Name it something like 1 or A, since it's our first clip. Choose the resolution, then hit export to save it. Click on open folder, and you'll see our first 5-second clip is ready. Next, go back to CapCut, click cancel, and then click this button to restore the clip we deleted. Now, select the first clip and delete it. Now, we'll cut another 5 seconds of video. Split the video again at 5 seconds and delete the clip on the right. Remember, the playhead is still at the 5-second mark. Let's export the second clip, name it B, and hit export again to save the second clip. If we check now, you'll see we have 2 clips. We'll join them later to make a single video. Let's head back and cut more clips. I'll speed this up for you. So I've got 6 clips now, which makes a 30-second video once we combine them. If you want a 1-minute video, you'll need to cut 12 clips. Yes, this takes time, but if you know a bit of editing, it's no big deal. Once all the clips are ready, it's time to convert them to anime style. Just head to the description, click the Google Doc link, and follow the steps to use Lens Go AI and create your anime short film. Click the temporary email link and it'll bring you to this page. Click Generate New Email, then copy it by clicking here. Head back to Lens Go AI, click Sign Up and paste the temporary email you just copied. Set a password and click the yellow button to create your account. But wait, you need to verify your account. Click on Send to get the verification in the temporary mail site to continue. Now click on the Sign Up button. Once you've successfully registered, you'll land on this page. Click this option here and under Style, choose the Ghibli style for the anime effect. Now, click Upload Video. Select the first clip and hit Open. Wait for it to upload, then hit the Generate Video button. You'll notice that the video is now generating on the right panel. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the first video is ready, let's check the result. Looks great, right? Now, click the download button to save the anime-style clip to your device. Click Show in Folder and rename the file to avoid confusion when you join the clips together. You can also create a new folder to keep everything organized. Next, repeat this process for clip B and the other clips. Upload each one, select Ghibli style, and generate the video for each. If you run out of credits, just sign up again using a new temporary email and you'll get another 100 credits. Alright, now it's time for the most crucial part. This step is essential to avoid copyright issues. Open CapCut again and start a new project. Import all the generated anime clips and arrange them in order. This is why renaming them helps keep things simple. Once all the clips are in the timeline, select them all, then press Alt-G to create a compound clip, or right-click and select Create Compound Clip. This turns all the clips into a single video. Now, the video has a background sound, but we don't know if it's copyrighted or not. Let's extract the audio to check. Right-click on the video, choose Extract Audio, and save the audio as a separate file. Now, we'll only export the audio. In the export settings, uncheck the video option and make sure to export just the audio file. Name it and save it to your device. Next, go back to the Google Doc. Click the vocal remover link and upload the extracted audio. This tool will separate the music from the voiceover. Once the process is complete, download the voice file, as we only need the spoken parts. Go back to CapCut, delete the original audio track, and replace it with the voice-only track that you just downloaded. Now, let's make some final touches to the video. Select the anime clip and click Crop to remove any unwanted subtitles or extra borders. Adjust the crop area to fit your needs and click Confirm. Next, we'll add some blur effects. Copy the main video clip with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V to create a duplicate. Select the second clip, then go to Effects and add the blur effect to the duplicate clip. Increase the scale of the second clip to around 180% to make it stand out. This gives it a dynamic background while keeping the main subject in focus. Now, let's add some captions to make the video more engaging. Click Auto Captions, select your language, and click Generate. You can also choose a caption template to make it look more lively. You can add background music. With the background music, I recommend you use YouTube Audio Library. Finally, let's export the finished video and check the results.
People can put up with pain and keep their feelings bottled up, but only to a certain point.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, it really helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. And I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. I'm always reading and replying to as many as I can. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.